Have you given affirmations a try but had subpar results? Are you thinking that no matter what you do, you can't manifest your dreams? The fact is, numerous studies have highlighted the positive impact of affirmations on mental well-being and goal achievement. A study published in the Journal of Personality and Social Psychology showed that participants who regularly affirmed their values demonstrated improved mental resilience, leading to reduced stress and increased confidence. Another study, published in the Journal of Research and Personality, found that affirmations positively influenced the academic performance of students by enhancing self-belief and motivation. Additionally, neuroscientific research has shown that affirmations can activate regions of the brain associated with positive emotions and self-identification. The more an affirmation is repeated, the stronger the neural pathways become, facilitating personal growth and mindset transformation. To maximize the effectiveness of affirmations, employing specific techniques can amplify their impact. Positive language. Ensure that affirmations are framed in positive language, focusing on what you want to achieve rather than what you want to avoid. For example, instead of saying "I won't fail," rephrase it as "I will succeed." Visualization. Pair affirmations with visualizations to enhance their influence. Create vivid mental images of yourself successfully accomplishing your goals, experiencing the associated emotions and sensations. Repetition. Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. Repeat them daily, preferably multiple times, ideally utilizing mirror work or writing them down. Incorporating affirmations into your routine can yield positive outcomes. Here are some tips to get started. Start small. Begin with a few basic affirmations that resonate with your goals and values. Gradually add more as you become comfortable. Be specific. Tailor your affirmations to your unique journey, ensuring they reflect your specific aspirations and strengths. Consistency matters. Commit to practicing affirmations every day, choosing specific times for repetition, such as early morning or before. Believe in yourself. Embrace your affirmations with belief and sincerity, allowing them to shape your mindset and guide your actions. Affirmations have the potential to improve mental well-being, foster self-confidence, and help you achieve personal goals. Today is the day to start your successful journey with affirmations. Sign up to get your daily affirmations and learn why each one is important to you. Start getting your daily affirmations and join our happy and successful family.